I am so sorry, everyone, to keep you guys waiting. Welcome, everyone, to Glecta. And in today's lesson, okay, who's going to tell me which topic are we going to do today? I just told if anyone was not there. Yeah, okay, you are raising your hand. I actually introduced the topic in the very beginning of the session itself. Hands down, everyone. We are going to be doing the topic of money today. All right. And the problems of money, money related problems, all of that. Also, before now I start with any other topic, let me tell you, over here we have started French classes as well. So, okay, tell me how many of you are interested in learning French, if there is anyone? Anyone who has planned on taking French in the future? Okay, Elizabeth says yes. Tanvi says yes. Okay, there are many people, so I'll have to scroll down. Abdul Hafiz is saying yes. Okay, so there are people. So you guys see the contact information that is given below over here, right? You guys can contact these particular numbers, and then you guys can just talk to them about the classes and everything if you want that. All right. Okay. After this, there are coding classes as well for this age group, 6 to 12, right? I'm sure that all of you over there are either like 10 or 11, right? So you guys can enroll for the coding thing as well. All right. Okay, now coming back to the topic that we were going to do today. And again, start before that. This is a list of our achievers. Now, I would want those of you who would be clearing the exam 11 plus exam this year would get their names like this next year when I'll be taking the lives next class in the next year in 2024, and then when I'll be doing the live sessions, and then I'll be speaking out your names as well, and then you would be having your names on YouTube as well. So I would want everyone to start putting in the best efforts that you can to get your names cleared in 11 plus exam. All right, how many of you guys want to clear the 11 plus exam? Yeah, raise your hand confidently, come on. Yeah, everyone is, isn't it? Right, everyone wants to clear their 11 plus exam. Now, how many of you guys are sure that yes, next year Miss would be using my name in the PPT? Okay, Asar is raising his hand. Aris is confident. Elizabeth is confident. Jason is confident. Very good. I want you guys, almost all of you are confident, right? So I want all of you to give in your best efforts. You know that there is very less time that we are left with, isn't it? So I need to know your names and the school names when you'll be clearing your 11 plus exam, and you'll be having your this names in the next year. All right, now, like I said, let's start with the money problems. First of all, how many of you want to earn lots of money in the future? I guess that also everyone is raising hands for everything, no? Yeah, money is one thing that we definitely want to earn. Okay, Arush, you raised your hand first, like with a very energy. Tell me, what would you do with so much of money? Yeah, once you earn a lot of money, what would you be doing with so much of money?
Keep it for the future, or
keep it for the future. Save it?
Save it, yeah.
Oh, all right. That's interesting. All right. Who else wanted to be a millionaire? Okay. So, Kusal, you tell me, what would you do with so much of money?
Save or like start a business or something like that.
Sorry?
Start a business or save the money.
Start a business. Interesting. Like investment is good, I would say yes. Okay. So you guys know that in today's class, we are going to discuss this particular topic. So now I would want Anya. Anya, dear, can you please read out the question?
A hotel rents out the function room for weddings. The cost of the hiring room was 600 plus 50 for each guest attending. Fill in the missing values in the formula to work out the costings of the hiring for the hotel for a wedding.
Yeah. So over here, 600 is the cost, right? Even if no guest is coming, although of course it's a wedding, so guests would be coming up and good guests would be showing up. But over here, we are given that 600 is the cost of each wedding, and plus 50 per guest, right? 50 pounds per guest. So if there is one guest, right? So I would be paying 50 pounds. not 50 pounds actually, 650, like 600 is fixed. If there are 2 guests, 50 times 2, I would be paying 100 pounds extra apart from the 600. So the 600 bit is constant, right? This 50 pound is extra. So every time I'm raising my number of guests, 3 guests, so 50 times 3, 10 guests, 50 times 10, right? So, okay, Anya, you tell me, what shall I write in the A part then?
£60 adds £50 times number of guests.
50 pounds plus 600 pounds, my child. Over
Yes,
here, I shall be writing 600, no? Okay, wait 1 second. My poor handwriting. Yeah, you would be writing 600 over here and 50 over here, isn't it? Yes, Anya? Right. So you guys know that over here, if I want to calculate the total cost, this thing would be 600. Okay, I don't know why my handwriting is coming out to be very poor. Yeah, but this is what I'm giving you as the answer. 600 plus 50 times number of guests. Okay, now for B part, I'm giving you 30 seconds. Quickly. Everyone, you guys have 30 seconds. Quickly solve your answers and raise your hand. Those of you who are done, I will be asking you guys over here to answer me the question. This is like Harris says trillionaire. He wants to be a trillionaire. Oh my God. So much of money. Yeah. Okay. So Jason is raising his hand. Yes, Jason, tell me, what would be the cost that you'd be paying? What would you be paying for 70 guests over here?
Is it £4,100?
How did you get 4,100, my child?
Basically you done 70 times 50, which I got 3,500. So I done 3,500 plus 600.
Absolutely correct. Very good. So we are paying 600 pounds definitely for sure. This is one payment that is fixed over here, isn't it? After that, we are paying 50 pounds per guest. So 50 times 70, that's 3,500, and 3,500 plus 600 that you were paying. So my cost over here comes out to be 4,100. Thumbs up, everyone, or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Okay, I can see everyone is putting a thumbs up. If anyone has any doubt, then raise your hands, please. All right. Okay, next one. Continue. The total cost for a wedding is 6,100. Now again, your time starts now. 30 seconds. Come on. You guys have 30 seconds. Start typing in your answers, giving it to me on chat box, and then I can ask anyone to explain me the particular question. And you will have to raise your hand on the Zoom board. If you raise your hand on camera, I won't be able to see you like this. Yeah. So raise your hand on the Zoom chat box over here. Okay, I can see Jason and Abdullah raising hand. 1 second. I'm going to, I want everyone to get equal chances. So everyone, do it. And then I'll be asking. Okay, I'm getting answers on this. 9,600 guests. Oh my God, no, dear, no. We can't get 9,600 guests. 110, Jason says 11, different answers you're getting. So Tanvi, please unmute yourself, my child, and tell me what answer will you be getting?
So for this, you'd get the answer 110 guests, because if the hiring of the room is £600, if you minus that from 6,100, you get 550, and 550 divided by 50, because that's because 550 is
1 second. What are you subtracting from 6,100?
600
Correct.
pounds.
Yes. So what
And
answer
then
will you be getting?
5,500.
Yes, 5,500. All right, then next one.
After that, so if 5,500 is the cost for all of the guests added, 5,500 divided by 50 equals 110, which would be the number of guests.
All right, correct. So we are doing 5,500 divided by 50. How many of you would agree with Tanvi? Hands up. Everyone agrees? Everyone is getting the answer as 100? Yes? Very good. Yes, correct. Yeah? Thumbs up, everyone. I'm just checking in with everyone. Everyone is getting the answer right. Everybody's giving me a thumbs up. Yes, correct. Good. Now moving on to the next one after this one. Over here, we say will buys. Okay, yes, Abdul.
You wrote 100.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Speak up, speak up. Tell us, Abdul, what were you saying? I want you to do it. Yeah.
You wrote 100.
Yeah, I
You
wrote it
wrote
by mistake. We are doing 5,000 divided by 50. Yeah, so?
No, we're doing 5,500 divided by 50.
All right, okay. So you're doing 5,500 divided by 50. Yeah, then you'll be getting 110, right? So yeah, I wrote by mistake 100, right? So over here, you'll be getting 110. Absolutely correct. My bad. Okay. Question number 3 now. Will buys 6 pence. Each pen costs 66 p. Right? Again, you guys have 30 seconds. Quickly do it. Justin, you've already answered one question. Tanvi has already answered one question. So I'll be giving chances to others. If nobody else raises hand, then I'll be coming to you, Justin. The timer is running, 30 seconds. Nobody else is raising hand. I want you guys to raise hands. Come on. Okay, so now Arish is going to give us the answer. Yes, Arish.
It says that will buy 6 pens and each pen costs 66p. So you have to do 6 times 66p, which gives you £3.96.
Correct.
And he paid a £10 note, so you have to do £10 minus £3.96, which gives you £6.04p.
Correct. So we'll be getting 6, or we can say 6.04 pounds, because we have to give our answer in pounds, no? So we would be doing 6.04, everyone. All right. Okay, good. Now moving on to the next one. Now this one is, again, 30 seconds. Come on, everyone. The full price of a car is 212,000. The car is in a sale and its price has been reduced by 35%. Now, those of you who have been taking my classes, I have told you guys how we calculate using a shortcut, how we do it mentally for percentages, right? So the car, the original price is 212,000. The car has been reduced, the price has been reduced by 35%. Reduction by 35% means that you're actually paying 65% of the amount, right? So you would be doing 67% of 212,000. All right. So I would want you guys, again, 30 seconds, quickly do it. Raise your hands once you're done. And of course, you have to text me in the chat box as well. Arush says that you forgot the method. There, I just gave you the hint. If I'm saying that the price has been reduced by 35%, in total, you have 100%, right? Reduction by 35% means 100 minus 35 is 65, isn't it? So that means instead of paying 35%, instead of paying the original amount, now since there is a reduction in by 35%, you're actually paying 65% of the amount. So you are calculating 65% of 212,000. All right. That's what the amount that you'll be paying. Monique is saving up to buy the car. She already has 27,350 pounds. Now, okay, Arush, over here, you tell me, what are you getting as 65% of 212,000? Calculate this, 65% of this. If you want, you can annotate on the screen as well. I don't have a problem.
I still don't get it.
We are doing 65% of 212,000. Percentage of an amount. How do we do it? You just have to do 65 times 212, right? And you divide it by 100 because we are calculating it in percentages, right? That's what we are going to do, isn't it? So divided by 100, divided by 100, these two zeros would be cancelled out. So over here, the amount that we are getting, that is 137,800, right? This is what you'll be getting, right, Arush?
Yeah.
So now this is the cost that we need. So how much extra does she need now? Tell me. What would you do to calculate the extra bit?
You minus 137,800 by 27,350.
You subtract 27,350 from 137,800, right? So what answers are we getting? Let me see how many of you have given me the correct answer on the chat box. Good. Tanvi, Ashar, Jason, and again, Jason texted me twice. You guys have given me the correct answer. This is 110,450, right? So 110,450. This is the answer that we are getting. Now, if anyone has any queries, raise up your hands there. Any queries to anyone? Nope, all clear? Sure. All right, great then. Moving on. Okay, Aris has raised his hand. Okay, yeah, Aris, raise your hand. No, I would have to see it. Wait 1 second, where did you go? Yeah, to be able to unmute you, to be able to ask you to unmute, I need to see your hand raised, all right? Yes, Aris, now please unmute yourself and tell me what was your doubt, my dear?
Oh, it was nothing.
It was nothing? All right then. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Again, 30 seconds, everyone. Now quick, get to work. If 5 people have a pizza meal that costs 17.5 pounds, what would be the cost for 3 people to have the same meal? Everyone, start doing this question. Remember, in my previous videos, I have told you guys how to divide by 5 very quickly. Yeah. All right. Abdul has given me the correct answer very quickly. Very good speed, Abdul. Unmute yourself. If you want, you can annotate to explain your answer as well.
So there's 5 people so there's like 5 people in the £17.50 pizza meal. So we have to divide by 5, so we can just double the number. So 17.5 times 2 is 35, and then we have to divide by 10, I think. So we have to divide by 10, which makes it £3.50. And then you just £3.50 times 3, which is £10.50. So that's the answer.
10.50, absolutely correct. Also, you could have done one more thing. 5 people have a pizza meal that costs 17.5, right? That means what would be the cost that one person would have to pay? 17.50 divided by 5, right? That's what we'll be doing. Remember the division technique? Okay, how many of you guys remember the division technique that I told you by 5? Okay, yes, Abdul, what was the division technique? Show it over here.
You have to double it and then divide by 10.
Yeah, we have to put a decimal then, right? So double it, that means double of 5, 10. 1 would be carried forward then over here. Double of 7 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15, right? So 5, and again, 1 carried forward, right? So over here, double of 1 is 2. 1 was carried forward, so 3. So we have 35.0 over here, right? And now this is the cost that one person is paying. If I want to calculate for 3 people, you would have to times it by 3 over here, right? That's what you'll be doing. Yes, Abdul?
There's already a decimal
Oh, yeah,
point.
3.5, 3.5, my bad. Yeah, good. Right? So we'll be having, because there is a decimal, we shifted 1 position in the left. right? So over here, this would be 3.5. And when I do 3.5 times 0, my answer is coming out to be 10.5. Clear to everyone? Yes?
You said 3.5 times 0.
3.50 times 3. I am so sorry, so sorry. I'm fumbling up a little today. Yeah. All right. So yeah, but you guys got the concept, right? It was 3.5 times 3. So that the answer comes out to be 10.5 pounds. All right. Now, everyone, I want all of you to start taking screenshots of the upcoming questions now. All right. I am going to give you these homework. In case you're unable to take the screenshot, then what you can do is that you know that the video will be uploaded later. So you can, take the questions from there. Yes, Kasul?
Miss, in my answer, I accidentally put the decimal point in the wrong place.
All right. No problem, dear. No problem. Okay. So now everyone start taking the screenshots. These are a few homework questions that I'm giving you. Come on, take screenshots. These are the problems of Best Buys. I'm giving you these for your practice, and you know that the mock test would be uploaded very soon, right? So practice the mock test as well, everyone. All right. This is question 1 that I've given you to take a screenshot. Question number 2, everyone. Like the question 2, A part this is, everyone. Then next, question 2, B part. Taking a screenshot, everyone? Yeah. All right. Then next question, everyone. And telling you one more thing, you guys know that we have our Telegram groups and as well, right? For the doubt sessions and everything. In case anyone has any doubts and any of these questions or anything, you guys can text us on our Telegram group as well, right? Now, there are these new curriculums that we are going to soon start from September onwards. If, again, anyone needs any information about any of these, you guys can contact the admin team. Okay. Yes, Elizabeth, my dear? Elizabeth, you were raising your hand, darling. So unmute yourself, my child. I've asked you to unmute over there, yeah?
I didn't get the.
Sorry?
I didn't get the screenshot of the first one.
The last one? Okay, no problem. Take this one.
No, the first one.
The first one. Okay. There you go. Done, darling?
No, 1 second.
All right, sure.
Yep, I'm done.
Done? All right.
Yeah.
So now we go on to the next one after this one. So like I was saying, these are your homework questions. You guys, if you have any doubts, send it to us on Telegram. And if you want to watch this video later again, so you can watch it on YouTube. All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. And that would be all for today. Also, very, very sorry for joining a little late. I mean, not joining late. I was joining on time, but there was a little problem with the system. You know, the tech things can get a little messy sometimes. So I'm really sorry about that. And I'll make sure that you guys learn more than what you did today in the next live lesson. All right. Thank you so much for joining us, everyone. Bye-bye. That would be all for today.